Guys don't know that only 25% of the work is in the gym. You can work all day, all night, working on those abs. You're not gonna get them. 75% of the work is what you put in your body. And NutriBullet makes it easy. Once I found the NutriBullet program, the answers started to come. It wasn't the working out that was my problem, it was what I'm putting in my body that was the problem. And now I understand what I need to put in my body, and the results speak for themselves. In 1 week, I lost 6 pounds. It happened right away, and it was easy to see this is the answer.
I recommend NutriBullet to anybody, especially to guys. I mean, guys, we just typically don't eat well, and seeing the difference it's made in me, I know it can make a ton of difference to other guys.
With NutriBullet, actually, I was able to just start working out, but taking just the shake itself, just changing that way of eating, the weight just came off. All of this was transitioned into something that is a little bit more presentable. I felt less like a lava lamp under here and more like something that I'm pretty proud of.
I discovered the NutriBullet, and I was amazed at how quickly I was able to see results. Since discovering NutriBullet, the transformation in my body has been amazing. Since I discovered the NutriBullet program, my body has transformed in amazing ways. My butt is smaller, my thighs are smaller and firmer, my waist is much smaller, and I've gone down from a size 10 to a size 4, which is unbelievable.
My best recommendation for the NutriBullet, if somebody's considering it, is just to give it a try. Try it for 1 week. Just try it, and I bet you'll be surprised with the results. I didn't just lose weight, I gained so much more.
You do not have to join a gym on this program. You don't need an extreme exercise regimen for this. I walked, and I still lost 29 pounds by eating healthy and using the NutriBullet.
Following the NutriBullet program, I lost 25 pounds, 26 inches, and 3 pant sizes. I'm full of energy, and I feel fantastic.
I love NutriBullet because I lost weight very quickly. I lost 7 pounds my first week, and I was able to eat and not feel like I was starving or hungry. Thanks to NutriBullet, I was able to lose 14.4 pounds. And not only did I lose the 14 pounds, but I was able to drop 3 whole sizes, which is unbelievable. Not only have I lost 20 pounds on this program, but my cholesterol has come down, my blood pressure has come down, everything has come down and been improved since being on this program.
Well, I lost 28 pounds, and it wasn't like it was that hard.
With the NutriBullet program, I lost 19 pounds, I lost 2 sizes, and even more importantly to me, other than losing the weight, was I knew that every single thing I was putting into my body was healthy.
This is the healthiest weight loss program I have ever done. It's been the most amazing program I've ever done in my life. I love the structure, I love how healthy it is, I love how easy it is to follow, and I would recommend it to anybody I know because I'm proof that it works. And if I can do it, anybody can do it.